Today I'm taking pictures of a model with 4 different prime lenses, the best of the prime lenses. I'll be using the 24, 35, 50, and 85 prime lenses for today's shoot. It's gonna be the same look, but with different lenses. So you guys can see how different the pictures turn out with each lens. I'm gonna start with the 24mm 1.4 Sigma lens. I love this lens so much, even though I've only used it one time, but this will be my second time, and I'm sure it will not disappoint me. Wow, I already love it. It's already my favorite. It's already, and we're done. Thank you, Kendall. Okay, I'll see you. The 24 just is beautiful. It just gets all of that scenery. I love those, yeah, very simple. The 24 is something else. Can I have one of you kind of having it around your shoulder even? Yeah, just standing very still, facing me. Turn it a little bit, yeah, right there. Looking here. Drop your shoulders just a little bit more, yeah. And looking out this way. We're showing off the glove. A little bit of sunlight is coming through. And I'll do a few backlit as well. Let's do some, yeah, with your hand up. Looking, facing me this way. Great job. Good job, Kendall. I love these angles that you're doing. Can I have your arm right here, like holding the flower from, yeah, like back here? Let's have you just simply standing again with this flower. Maybe it's dropped down to the side a little. Once that car drives away. We're gonna do a few portraits with this because sometimes with this lens, I forget to do portraits. Like have it up, yeah, right there. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Oh, stay like that. That's beautiful. I love that. Great. I feel like I'm gonna do the whole photo shoot with the 24. I'm loving this so far, but we are gonna switch to the next lens. The 24mm, the second that I looked through the viewfinder, I was like, this is it. I love this lens so much. I love that it's so wide, and I feel like I can be the most creative with this because it does capture a lot of the scenery. This lens kind of forces you to make use of the scenery, which sometimes I like to ignore. Now we're gonna start the photo shoot with a 35mm. I love this lens. I use it for so many of my couple session photo shoots, for weddings, for engagement photo shoots. This is my go-to lens. I don't really use it a lot for fashion stuff, but it's still a favorite. It's still a favorite. Oh, I love that. Okay. Love that. Oh my God, I love this pose. You have to do this for each one. The sun makes it so hard sometimes to get that focus right. I'm gonna do a close-up. Let's have the flower covering a little bit of the light on your face. Yeah, just like that. Beautiful. Good job. Gorgeous. Don't move. Let's have you looking away. Like this way, right here? Yeah. Do a few closer up photos. Great. Yeah, don't move. I love this. I'm gonna get a further out shot. Hide the stem just a little bit. I love this pose though. Yeah. Gorgeous. Good job. She really makes my job easier, so I feel like I'm cheating here. Overall, I like the 35, but I was leaning a little bit more towards the 24. I don't know, maybe when I look at these, I'll change my mind. The 35, I love so, so much. I use it for a lot of my couple sessions, for engagements and weddings, for my fashion and portraits. I don't really use the 35 a lot, but I do love it because it's such a good mix where I can still get a lot of the scenery and then I can get a beautiful portrait. So the 35 is it's a good in-between. The 24, like the wide range of the 24, and then the 50. Now we're switching to the 50, which is my all-time favorite. And I've shot Kendall with this lens a bunch of times. So let's switch to the 50 1.2. My absolute favorite lens. I really believe if you're doing portraits, you should have this in your kit. I use it all the time. Let's do that shot over the head. I feel like that's gonna be a favorite, yeah. Even covering your face just a little bit was really pretty, yeah, like that. I feel like with the 50, I can get those beautiful portraits, get more of the detail shots. Could you please stand right here? Tilt your body just a little bit towards me. Yeah, good job, Kendall. Trying to focus with the 50 is a little easier than the 24, but still tricky. You are modeling that flower, I love it. So cute. Okay, I think I shot so much with this. Shooting with the 50, it was a lot easier to focus when I was shooting backlit. And I absolutely love this lens. I really have nothing bad to say about this lens. I've used it for many, many, many years. It was the first prime lens in my kit. The 50, I love the 50 so much. I don't have one bad thing to say about it. It's versatile. I can get beautiful portraits. I can get good full body. So this lens was perfect for this photo shoot. And again, I don't have anything bad to say about it, and I never will. I love it. It's been really hard to choose between them so far, but the 85 is last, so let's do that one, and maybe I'll change my mind. The last one is the 85. The most expensive lens out of all of them. Would you believe it?
Yes, actually, it looks like it's got some weight on it.
It's the chunkiest lens. I rarely use this lens, I'm not gonna lie. I probably used it 2 or 3 times only. We're gonna be using a few of these. Wow, it's already so close. Let's have it closer, let's do that. Let's start off with that pose. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, I love that. Okay, focus on this is so easy. Wow, it's great. The focus on this is brilliant so far. Let's have this hand, bring it down, create a shape right here. Yeah, great job. It's kind of like a little umbrella, right? It's like an umbrella. Okay, I love that. Okay, so far, this lens has had the best focusing so far out of all of the lenses. I don't have to try very hard to get a good focus on here. Okay, wait, I spoke too soon because now it's acting up. Okay, wait, no, it's fine. Just the backlight. Okay, there we go. Let's have some of the flower again next to your face. Yeah. Lift your chin up a little. Great. Let's have you turn this way now, please. Get some of the side light. Let's have the flower on this side just to block a little bit of the light. Yeah, great job. Yeah, focus on this is amazing. It's amazing. Way better than the other, wow. Way better than the other lenses so far. Great job, Kendall. Great job. Yeah, that's great. Good job. Let's move your other arm. Yeah, just keep moving it. Yes, beautiful. Great job. Yeah, I love those. I love these. Okay, you did so good. Amazing. I love that the 85 is so good with focusing. I barely had any trouble with that. It was very close though, so I found myself having to back up a lot because I really want to capture a lot more of the scenery. I wanted to capture the flower. So I had to back up a little bit more than usual with the 85. I don't know which one to choose. I don't know which one I like the most. I loved using each lens. I don't think I can choose, but if I absolutely had to, I like the 24. It surprised me. The 24 kind of surprised me on this one. I wasn't expecting it, but the 24, I don't know if you guys will agree with me. Let me know in the comments. Do you like the 24 pictures over the other prime lenses? Which was your favorite? I want to read what you guys have to say, and I'll see you guys in my next video.